It's Wednesday, June 2nd, 2010. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com, D7 here. Big move in the markets today. Look at this. Dow up 2.25%, S&P up 2.6%, NASDAQ up more than 2.6%, Russell's almost 2.7%, with the VIX dropping a full 15%. We're right here at 30, which is a whole number. Watch out for that. And pre-market or aftermarket futures are still showing strength. Check this out. We are in the makings of what could be a double bottom or a slight step up trend reversal pattern happening at this very moment. We have had an exceptional run today with higher highs, higher low, nice up candlestick, but we're coming into some big time resistance, and the part that we want to be paying attention to is this swing right here. This is going to be right at around 1100, 1103. 1103 is going to be the area. Then we have the 200-day moving average, which will also act as resistance. That's going to be at 1105. Coming in at about the same area at 1106, we have this trend line from these two swing highs, which is a lower swing high, coming down, 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 down. So we have 1103 as resistance, we have 1105 as resistance, and we have 1106 to 1107 as resistance. So gang, that is some significant resistance that we're about ready to be challenged with if we do continue up tomorrow. This is one of those times that people can get real indecisive of what to do. Usually after a big pop, you have some indecision on the next day or two. Here, after a big pop, we had two immediate down days. So I'm expecting the same. So what I did was hedge myself going into the close today, and my weapon of choice to hedge myself is using those futures. It is so important to make sure that in choppy markets like we're seeing right here, that you protect yourselves overnight. Either go flat the market. Flat the market simply means this, that you sell all your positions, and then if you like what you're seeing the very next day, re-enter them. Myself, I love to hedge. What I'll do is I'll pick up something, either options or futures or other stocks, to offset my current holdings to protect myself going, over a weekend, over night, over a holiday weekend like we're just coming out of, because you don't know what's going to happen. So I like to be hedged during those times. So let's say tomorrow we start off very bearish. I could unload my bullish positions and keep my bearish hedges on, make money on the downside. However, if we continue bullish and we're starting to break through these areas, I'll unload my hedge and allow my bullish positions to keep running, my long positions. So again, what's nice is instead of flipping the coin hoping that I'm right the night before, what I do is I just unwrap or unroll or get out of the weaker of my two positions. So again, if we go bullish, I want to unload my short positions. If we go bearish, I want to unload my long positions. So it's the best of both worlds. One, I get protection, and two, I can play whatever side that is doing the best. Hedging is very important. Go to teachmetohedge.com, teachmetohedge.com, and we will teach you all of our strategies and how to properly hedge to protect your capital. It's so very important. So tomorrow, I'm looking for some sort of movement. I think we'll chop around. Now listen, I thought we were actually going to come down and test some of these supports before we bounced. We didn't do that. We were so bullish that we actually gapped up and then ran straight up. So for me to get excited, I want to see us clearing this 1115 mark. If we can get above 1115, we'll have some resistance areas, but this would be a trend reversal in the making. To be technical, a double bottom is only a double bottom when the middle area gets pierced. So that means we need to at least get up and get a close above 1107. But that puts us right at major resistance. So I think for us to clear all this, 1115 or higher would be really nice. And that could happen pretty quick if people are going to be bullish. Now listen, expect light volume going into the week here, because this is a short trading week. A lot of people on vacation. The other thing you have to be very aware of is on Friday morning pre-market. Listen to this, pre-market. The big employment numbers are coming out. We had the White House coming out saying, hey, it's going to be great. They're really expecting some fantastic numbers coming out. They might be right, they may be wrong. But the bottom line is that's a big catalyst that can move the market one direction or the other. So you certainly want to be hedged or being flat the market after tomorrow's close. That's Thursday's close. So just a heads up on that. Stay tuned, and glad that you're part of us here at Free Trading Videos.